It's never good to get a mid-morning phone call from Baker's Factory on a ride day. That from Nathan Ramsey, the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Factory Team Racing Manager. And this comes from RJ Hampshire, who we missed in Glendale because of an illness. And now it sounds like we're going to be missing him for even longer with a new foot injury sustained in practice. Posting on his Instagram saying, quote, "One thing after another. Got back on the bike yesterday after getting over being sick. I slid over this small jump and had a slow, awkward fall that caused me to plant my foot. When I planted it in the end of the handlebars, came down right on top of my boot, splitting the buckles, broke two of my metatarsals and one's pretty displaced, sorry. Bummed on how it's gone the last 4 months. Sometimes it comes in waves. I'll rebuild and get where I know I can be. Thank you to all the ones that support me." Now, obviously, like I said, he missed Glendale because of the whatever illness was so bad that he couldn't race. I don't know if it was the flu or something. Obviously, if he just got back on the bike yesterday, that's Wednesday, so he missed a few days at least being sick. And now with the broken foot, it's not going to be very good for him. Currently, he's sitting way down in points at 38, two above his teammate Malcolm Stewart, so not exactly a great year for Husqvarna in general. Injuries, missing races, and now just this, another person gone for a while. Not exactly what you want. Nathan Ramsey continued saying, quote, "Unfortunately, RJ had a crash and the handlebars caught his foot in just the wrong way, resulting in a fracture. Our focus now is on the best path forward to get RJ healthy and back racing as soon as possible." Now, obviously, this does not sound quick. The way this is as soon as possible, there's no time frame, there's no, what? Austin Faulkner's thing, a couple weeks he'll be racing. This sounds like it's going to be a while, so I'm going to assume you can just write off Supercross for him. It's going to be one of those things. You're already out of the championship as of now, so even if you came back and raced the final few rounds, you're not really going to gain anything except for maybe some SMX points, maybe a couple more places if you do really well. Who knows? But from what it sounds like, this is at least Supercross season ending injury, and probably smart. Why rush it back? Just take the time, take the season, and start testing for motocross when you're healthy, and just look for that as a thing, because at this point, like it is, you're out of the championship. You're not going to gain anything by rushing yourself back. You might as well just do the safe option, heal completely, and then get ready for the outdoor season and the SMX playoffs. And I don't know, it just sucks to see. Obviously for Husqvarna this year has not been very good with Malcolm Stewart's, first round injury and then pulling off in Glendale. And then obviously now this, it's not exactly what you want to see as a team or riders, but quote unquote, or not quote unquote, knock on wood, hopefully, they can get both fully healthy for at least Malcolm Stewart to continue Supercross and for RJ to, do well in outdoors. But this one I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for Seattle? It looks like it's going to be a mutter. Who do you think wins the 450 titles? 250 pretty much obviously wrapped up with Deegan in the West Coast, but whatever. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.